Welcome to the Stealth channel. On this channel, I will highlight various military platforms that utilize stealth technology. These platforms will include stealth aircraft, such as the Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk. The F-117 is better known as the stealth fighter, and was made famous in Operation Desert Storm in 1991. Stealth ships, such as the Sea Shadow experimental stealth ship. The Sea Shadow pioneered the use of stealth technology on ships. It was designed by Lockheed Martin's infamous Skunk Works division, the same division that was responsible for the infamous SR-71 Blackbird stealth reconnaissance plane. Stealth missiles, such as the Lockheed Martin AGM-158C long-range anti-ship missile. Stealth helicopters, such as the Boeing Sikorsky RAH-66 Comanche light attack and reconnaissance helicopter. Stealth drones, such as the carrier-launched Northrop Grumman X-47B unmanned combat air vehicle. And stealth armored fighting vehicles, such as the Obram BAE Systems PL-01 main battle tank. Unlike a lot of other military channels on YouTube, I will not show you photos or videos of platforms that do not match the audio or match the subject matter shown in the video. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen videos where the audio was describing one platform but showing another. I've also seen videos that contain video segments of a platform that is totally different than the platform that is the subject of the video. You will also not see fake thumbnails on any of my videos. I can't tell you how many times I've seen thumbnails that contain an image of an obvious fictional platform that just serves as clickbait. In addition, you will not see deceptive video titles, which also serve as clickbait. Content creators, please don't assume your audience is so uninformed that they won't be able to tell the difference. I can. I will endeavor to upload a new video each week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when I have uploaded a new video. I hope you will enjoy this content and continue to come back for more.